Hi there. Finding the 5 best speed jump rope reviews worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Crossrope Jump Rope. So, you want to learn how to do double unders? Prepare yourself for weeks or months of hellish rage and torn up skin unless you invest in the Crossrope Get Lean Jump Rope set, which might help you nail the rhythm a bit quicker and minimize welts. The Get Lean set comes with a pair of handles and 2 cables, a 0.25 pound cable and a 0.5 pound cable. The cables are easily interchangeable thanks to Crossrope's fast clip system. As a beginner trying to learn double unders, feedback is important because a new jumper needs to develop body awareness to know where their body is in relation to the cable. Without that awareness, you'll never develop a consistent rhythm to master double unders. Anthony says the Crossrope handles have smooth as butter rotation. Not an ad, just the truth, he wrote in his testing notes. The sizing was on point, too, Anthony said. You can choose from 4 sizes and Crossrope provides a handy sizing chart for easy selection. Number 2. Our second best pick is WOD Nation Speed Jump Rope. The WOD Nation Double Under Speed Jump Rope is an all-time favorite among Garage Gym Reviews team members. Our editor Kate Meyer has personally used this rope for 5 years and doesn't have any complaints. Not only does the WOD Nation Speed Jump Rope feature all of the necessary components of a good speed rope: ball bearings, uber-thin cable, coated wire cable, but it's durable, long-lasting. Even after testing and using probably more than a dozen speed ropes, this is still Kate's favorite, and it's one of mine, too. I used the WOD Nation Speed Rope for a few years before switching to a Rogue Fitness SR3, not because I needed to, but because I'm a gear junkie. The only complaint people seem to have about this rope is that the nuts holding the cable in place can come loose. Just tighten them with a small wrench. Other than these minor inconveniences, the WOD Nation Double Under Speed Rope is just about perfect and we think it's the best value for most people. Number 3. Our third best pick is Smart Jump Rope. If you're tired of counting your reps while jumping rope, consider a Smart Jump Rope, which will count for you and provide a number of stats in addition. For example, the Tangram Smart Rope app counts jumps, calories burned, and time elapsed. You can also set daily targets and track your jumping history. Aside from the smart features, the Tangram Smart Jump Rope Rookie is a pretty solid rope. It's adjustable, but doesn't require any cutting like most adjustable ropes. You simply thread it to your desired length through the handles. Anthony O'Reilly, a Garage Gym Reviews writer who tested this rope, said it worked for people of multiple heights and skill levels. However, the overall experience was enjoyable, and it's pretty cool to just jump without counting, knowing you can later look to see your reps. I think it would be really fun to set a timer for, say, 20 minutes and complete as many reps as possible without having to focus on counting. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is XYLsports Jump Rope. For those who want a basic, durable jump rope with a comfortable grip and decent speed, the XYLsports Jump Rope is the one to get. It's an Amazon's choice pick with over 2,000 positive reviews. In our testing, the verdict pretty much came down to this: nothing special, nothing bad. It's just a jump rope. And it only costs about $10, so it's a great pick for anyone who wants to try their hand at jumping rope but isn't sure they'll stick to it. Made of PVC, the cable is durable but easy to cut for adjustments. It's lightweight but has some heft to it, so it will provide feedback as it moves through the air. This is helpful for people just learning to jump rope. There's no true rotation system, it's really just a rope threaded through a handle so the spin isn't the smoothest. Still, even true beginners will have no problems rotating the rope. All in all, you can't go wrong, because it's a $10 jump rope that will probably last years. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Redify Adjustable Jump Rope. Sometimes, motivation can be the biggest challenge of any workout. The Redify 2-pack adjustable jump rope is a set of 2 ropes and 2 sets of handles, which means it's an ideal set for you and a workout partner so that you can keep one another motivated. The pack is actually less expensive than most of the other individual cords on the list, and they include memory foam handles that are soft to hold. The ropes have a steel core and are coated in PVC to avoid most tangles, and they are just under 10 feet long. Also, while the ropes are good enough for beginners and for those looking to lose weight and get a little exercise, they aren't advanced enough for some of the more complex CrossFit exercises. If you're not sure how to work your new trampoline into your fitness routine, don't worry, the Rebounder ships with free 60-day access to an exercise program that's full of trampoline workout ideas. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.